Do you ever wonder how your thoughts can shape your reality? Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you've always dreamed of. By using the science of manifestation and combining it with the art of visualization, you can manifest your desires and make them a reality. In this video, we'll explore the power of visualization and how it can help you create your own reality. Creative visualization is a mental technique that uses the imagination to make your goals and dreams come to life. You can improve your life and attract success, health, and prosperity. It is a power that can transform your habitat, create events to take shape, connect you to the right people, and increase health and happiness. Creative visualization uses the power of the mind, which is the potential behind every success. The power of visualization. Have you ever experienced daydreaming, where you just let your mind escape from the task at hand? Most of the time you daydream about what could be. Well, this is similar to visualization. The only difference is that daydreaming just happens. It is you allowing your unconscious mind to do whatever it wants. Visualization is more of a conscious action with structure and intention. The secret to a successful visualization is to fuel your image with all your 5 senses to make your image come to life, where you are fully entrenched in your feelings. Visualization plays a crucial role in most of the processes that you can use to influence and reprogram the way your unconscious mind thinks, because its primary language is images. Research shows that thoughts produce the same mental instructions as actions. Mental images impact many processes in your brain, such as attention, perception, planning, and memory. In other words, the brain sees no difference between the thought of an action and a real action. When you perform an action, some specific neural pathways are being stimulated and specific chemicals are being produced. The same physiological changes happen when you visualize yourself performing that action. Mind and body connection. Visualization is important because it taps into the power of the mind-body connection. When you visualize, you activate the same neural pathways in your brain as you would if you were actually experiencing the things you are visualizing. This means that your brain and body are responding to your thoughts and emotions as if they are real. The mind and body connection is the link between thoughts and behaviors that allows you to use visualization to improve every aspect of your life. That's why visualization is so important in practicing manifestation, where you can create whatever you dream about in your mind. With practice, you can achieve what your mind can conceive. If you realized how powerful your thoughts are, you would never think a negative thought again. You may not consciously have taken this on, but your unconscious mind is awake 24/7 and is always eavesdropping on your internal dialogue. Visualization helps to align your conscious and subconscious mind. Often, we may have conscious desires and goals, but our subconscious beliefs and thoughts may be in conflict with those desires. By visualizing, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to support and align with your conscious desires, making it easier for you to achieve them. Begin with the end in mind. Stephen Covey talks about beginning with the end in mind to start with a clear understanding of your destination. It means to know where you are going so that you better understand where you are now, and so that the steps you take are always in the right direction. Successful visualization is to have the end in mind. You should visualize the end goal and not the process. The end goal should be pictured in as many details as possible, including all the senses. What am I seeing? What am I hearing? What am I feeling? What can I smell? What can I taste? The stronger the feelings or the sensation of your visualization, the stronger your belief. Practice, repeat. Your unconscious mind will accept the thoughts that you repeatedly practice, and over time, it will accept them, changing your mindset accordingly. This is how you create new habits or transform old habits and actions. Allow yourself to repeat 21 days consecutively without missing one day. This creates new neural pathways, new circuits in your brain, and brings you into contact with new people, situations, and circumstances. Thoughts are enriched with a creative power that designs your life and attracts to you what you think about. This doesn't mean that all your thoughts will come to fruition, only the ones that are fueled with emotion, the thoughts that are focused, well-defined, and repeated. By changing your thoughts and mental images, you change your reality and reshape your world. Associate with your image. When you constantly focus on an image in your mind, every cell in your body is involved in that image. You vibrate and resonate with everything that is in harmony with that frequency, both on a physical and non-physical level. This frequency moves you towards the image. It moves everything that is needed towards you for the creation of the desired image. Visualization is simple. Take 5 minutes out of your day to manifest. Close your eyes and imagine exactly what you would be looking at if the dream you have were already realized. Imagine being inside of yourself, looking out through your eyes at the ideal result. Remember to make your image come to life, use all your senses, and be vivid with your colors and exactly what you want to be as part of your picture. If you make this part of your daily routine, you will be amazed at how much improvement you will see in your life. Visualization is also a great way to identify what is going on in your unconscious mind. Your outside world is a mirror image of the inside and hidden mental world. Have fun with your visualization. Let your creative juices flow and work with your conscious mind to create the magic in your life. Seeing is believing. Common obstacles and misconceptions about visualization and how to overcome them. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it's not uncommon to face obstacles or have misconceptions about it. One common obstacle is a lack of belief. Some people may doubt that simply imagining something can actually bring it into reality. It's important to remember that visualization is not about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals. By consistently visualizing and taking inspired action, you can manifest your desires. Another obstacle is a lack of patience. It's natural to want immediate results, but manifestation takes time. The key is to trust the process and stay committed to your practice. Remember that every visualization session is a step forward, even if you don't see instant results. A common misconception is that visualization is only for dreamers or people with a vivid imagination. In reality, anyone can practice visualization, regardless of their creative abilities. Visualization is a skill that can be developed and strengthened with practice. Even if you struggle to form clear mental images, you can still engage your other senses and emotions to make your visualizations more powerful. Overcoming these obstacles and misconceptions requires persistence, self-belief, and a willingness to challenge limiting beliefs. Surround yourself with supportive resources, such as books, podcasts, or communities that encourage visualization practices. Remember, the power of visualization lies in your ability to tap into the limitless potential of your mind. Conclusion: everything we see around us came into existence because our ancestors imagined that it was possible. Once they imagined it, their creative mechanism automatically aligned their thoughts, beliefs, and actions to accomplish it. Spend 21 minutes every day visualizing what you want to accomplish till the very end. Keep your focus on the end goal. Stop worrying about the means, stick with the end. Make mental corrections until you can clearly see yourself reaching the final goal. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the notifications bell and stay connected to us.